Okay, so are you ready for this?
Yeah, hit me.
You know how you sent in those articles about Paul Atkins?
Mm.
The whole SEC chairman thing?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Man, it seems like there's so much to talk about with this.
Well, there is.
Crypto, the U.S., even the global economy,
Oh,
potentially. It's
yeah.
like
Big stuff.
Atkins could make the U.S. the leader in crypto. Maybe.
Possibly, yeah. I think to really get why people are excited about Atkins, we got to look back a bit.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, the guy was an SEC commissioner under President Bush,
Right, right.
way back in the early 2000s.
Wow.
Then he went and founded Potomac Global Partners,
Would you do that?
financial consulting.
Okay.
But then, and this is where it gets interesting, he helped start the Digital Chamber,
That's the...
advocacy group for digital assets.
So he's not just, like, aware of crypto.
Oh, no, no.
He's been a supporter for a while.
Big time.
Totally different from anyone else who's led the SEC.
Exactly.
Do you think that's why Trump picked him specifically?
I think it's about what they both want. Trump's been super vocal about advanced capital markets, right?
Right.
And they both seem to believe digital assets can really boost the economy.
Yeah.
Actually, I remember one of the articles you sent.
Yeah.
Atkins was pretty critical of how the SEC handled ICOs.
Oh, yeah. He said they were.
He thought they stifled innovation.
Yeah. Yeah. And that it made things too uncertain for investors.
Exactly.
So if Atkins wants less, hands-on regulation, what changes might he actually make?
He's talked about market-driven regulation a lot.
What does that even mean?
It means letting the crypto market do its thing.
So less intervention.
Less direct intervention from the SEC, yeah. Provide guidelines, protect investors, but don't squash the innovation.
But doesn't less regulation mean more risk?
It's a balancing act, for sure.
Especially with how volatile crypto can be.
Absolutely.
How can he protect investors if he's not regulating as much?
Well, he's really big on transparency.
Okay.
One of the articles you sent mentioned that.
Right. He thinks clear information is crucial.
Makes sense.
So maybe requiring more disclosure from companies doing ICOs.
Like being upfront about what they're doing.
Yeah, or stricter rules for crypto exchanges.
So instead of banning things outright,
Right.
just make sure everything's out in the open.
More transparency. Yeah.
That would probably make those big institutional investors feel better, right?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Yeah.
They've been hesitant.
Super hesitant because they don't know what the rules are.
And that's how this could affect the whole U.S. economy.
Wow. Okay.
Think about it. If Atkins makes a good environment for crypto while still making investors feel safe, it could attract a lot more crypto projects to the U.S.
That would be a lot of
jobs, new technologies.
Right.
It could make the U.S. the leader in the digital economy.
It's crazy that one guy could have that much impact.
It is, isn't it?
We started talking about this one nomination, and now it's like the whole future of finance.
It's pretty wild.
Yeah.
But here's something to think about.
You know, if this vision that Atkins has, clear regulations, market-driven, if that works, what do you think will happen?
Like, what new stuff could we see?
Exactly. What opportunities, what innovations?
So for our listener out there, what could this mean for them?
Oh, who knows?
Come on, give us something.
It could be tons of new investments, new tech we can't even imagine yet.
Right.
It's definitely something to keep your eye on.
Absolutely. So I guess that's it for our deep dive today.
Yeah.
We talked about Paul Atkins, where he comes from, his views on crypto, and how his approach to regulation could change everything.
Big stuff.
The crypto market, the U.S. economy, the whole world even.
It all connects.
Thanks for sending in these articles.
Of course.
This is such an important topic.
Definitely.
And it's changing so fast.
Keep learning.
Stay informed, and who knows what amazing things are coming next.
That's what I like to hear.
See you next time.
See you later.